TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get because as we mentioned, we're looking for this correction. Okay, and this is what we get. But right now we can see price start to, the way it's moving is really corrective. Can we put this one in relative to this for one more drop? Yeah, mostly if we get one more drop, any reversal from there, we can get a better trade setup and we can look for buy. Okay, by the way, we start with the 1 hour daily chart. We want to see what we have. What's the changes based on daily chart? We have nothing. So after we see we get this down move, still the way it's moving is very corrective. And in this case, we move to forward chart. All right, based on forward chart, what we want the price to break this top and continue. Actually, the top is here right now, and what we want to see the breakout of the 0.0545. All right, 0.0545. Okay, and now the thing is, since we have been looking for this correction, okay, now we have the one we can see as I show based on 1 hour chart. Still, we can expect one more drop. Okay, then from there, if we see any reversal, we can look for buy. But one more things we need to highlight: if we want to look for buy, we need to get the trade set up. How about if this is the corrective move and this is the start of the down move? All right, this is what we need to know. And as we can see, if we put this one, as we can see the price, this one broke this top already. Okay, now we can see it. And if we refer to the indicators, based on this one, we have a divergence. And how about the MACD also, we have a divergence. Okay, and even as we can see based on the trend line, we have the breakout. Why if, the question is, how about if this one turned to a correction for one more drop and this is the one is going to retest this low? Okay, our expectation is to get the one more drop. This one we get a bit deeper correction, but to retest this low, we need to see. Right now we cannot confirm because we have been looking for this 1 2 3. Okay, and now we want to see how we can trade it if we move to 1 hour chart. All right, based on 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if we put this one in relative to this, if we get one more drop, then any reversal from there we can look for buy. First of all, we want to see how deep it can go. But if we get a reversal after the next drop with the breakout of this low, then from there any reversal we can look for buy. But anyone, those traders, they want to look for sell. Maybe they can, if they get any sell setup, at least with a sharp move with a flag, they can look for sell with the breakout of this low, which is 0.0494. Okay, but if we get the sell will be a short-term sell based on what we have right now. And how about if the price continue from here? I think the best way to have an entry above the top, which is 0.0541, or we have to wait for the breakout of the top, we get the correction, then from there we look for buy. But I don't think we get any good trade setup within this range because first of all, if this one continues as a corrective, we cannot good trade setup. And if we want a good any trade within this range, we need to get the sharp move with the flag. This is the only way we can trade it. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.